Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today again I have a very interesting video for you. So stay tuned in the end. So first of all, I downloaded this pic from Chrome free pic website. So you can download it. I give the link so you can check out. And now I have this font is P and font name is Gotham Black. Okay. And now create outline. Now simply click a shift and align it with horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now you can choose as per your choice. So now you have what we have to do is simply go to object menu, compound path and make. Then we select it with shift plus mouse, click it and go to object menu and clipping mask and make. Now this is right okay for you. So again we have another letter. So okay, now okay, now take a side and copy it with alter, and now we have two ways to clipping mask. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, bye. Now change this direction if you want and go to object plus clipping, oh sorry, compound path and make. Now click it with shift and go to object menu and come, oh sorry, clipping mask and make. So now we have two type of speed. Okay, and if you want more of this then you can simply click it with shift as much as you want. So now done. I think this is right. So which one is better? If you like it, kindly drop a comment and uh, comment me and share your opinion with me. How was your experience? So watch the video and stay tuned in the end. And go to also my Behance page, LinkedIn page. I forget to mention. So I give the link in the description box so you can guys check out and reach out me if you have any work, want to work with me or wish to work with me. So check my Behance ID as well. I'm active daily and online, every available on 24/7. And Facebook page, I give link, and Instagram page, and also YouTube page, YouTube channel. So you can just guys comment me, and if you have any queries about my work, about my skills, or wish to work with me, then email me. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, and share. And share my video with your friends and family. And press the bell icon to receive important updates and never miss any updates. So, wish if you like my video, then kindly subscribe me and like the video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.